Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing our LAMTTO RC26 AI box. It's a device that transforms your wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into a smarter wireless infotainment system. Also let you enjoy apps like YouTube, Netflix directly in your car display. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have our LAMTTO RC26. As you can see, we have our LAMTTO AI box. With two cables. It's USB and USB-C. Then we have USB-C in both sides. Also we have a little reset pin, so we can change the system between CarPlay and Android Auto. As you can see in your right, there is an HDMI connector, so to connect this screen with another screen TV or something. Let's go to our car and test our and box. Here we are in our car. So we have, this is our original radio, and here we have the USB connector. All what we have to do is insert the connector. I will show you. Just insert it here, wait a few seconds. So as you can see here, we have the blue light for Android. The radio is already on, and the red light for the iPhone. As you can see, in less than 1 minute we get our screen. We have YouTube, Netflix, Android Auto, CarPlay, and here the application. So here we're back. Also we have Wi-Fi. Here we have the settings. Language, theme, display. Okay. And here the button we turn to home. This is YouTube. Of course, you have to plug the internet or activate the hotspot in your phone. Netflix also, just create an account and that's all. Okay. And if you want to go to CarPlay, just press the CarPlay. Wait a few seconds. Connecting. So here we have our apps. The setting, this back to AI box, and here the CarPlay app again, and here we have the maps. This is the settings. It's quite easy to use, nothing special. Let's see, and so we're back to our AI box. Here we have the video, here we have the music, this is the Bluetooth. Just have to insert the USB for the music, and you have a music player, and that's all. So thank you for watching. If you like this LAMTTO RC26 AI box, just press the like and press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming setup. And I will leave the link for this AI box LAMTTO RC26 in the description. And thank you for watching. See you in another video.